Hello my dear friends, welcome back. We are discussing about the muscles of the upper limb, right? My previous lecture was about the regions of the upper limb, that there are 6 regions of the upper limb: the pectoral region, back region, shoulder region, arm region, forearm region and hand region, which I have already shared with you. And then we discussed about the first muscle which is present in the pectoral region. That was, we discussed about the muscles of pectoral region. The first muscle was pectoralis major muscle, and I hope you have watched that lecture and learned something from that lecture. Now there is the second muscle in your pectoral region, that is pectoralis minor muscle. Beneath the pectoralis major muscle there is a very small pectoral muscle that is called pectoralis minor muscle. And pectoralis minor muscle, it is pectoralis minor muscle, right? Its shape is thin, triangular muscle, right? It is located at the upper part of the chest beneath the pectoralis major muscle. So beneath your pectoralis major muscle there is another pectoral muscle which is called pectoralis minor muscle. What is its origin? Its origin is from anterior surface of costal cartilages of 3, 4 and 5. I will show you. Look here. That is the muscle, right? This is the pectoralis major minor muscle, right? So this is its origin from costal bones 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? This is its origin. Okay, anterior surface of costal cartilages of ribs 3, 4 and 5. So here you can see 3, 4 and 5. So this is the origin of the pectoralis minor muscle, and its insertion is somewhere in the scapula. Yeah, its insertion is in the medial border of coracoid process of the scapula. So you can see this is the acromial process, this is the coracoid process. Right here you can also see this is the acromial process, this is the coracoid process of the scapula, and this is pectoralis minor muscle. This is its origin and this is its insertion point. So its insertion point is anterior surface of medial border of coracoid process of the scapula. Okay, what are the actions of this muscle? At the scapulothoracic joint, it draws scapula anterior inferiorly. Now look friends, whenever this muscle contracts, so when it contracts, ribs does not move upward. Your scapula will move downward and anteriorly. The scapula will move downward and anteriorly. So it draws scapula anterior inferiorly, right? And it stabilizes scapula on thoracic wall. So it also gives stabilization to your scapula in the thoracic region, right? So its action is it draws scapula anterior inferiorly. Good. What is the blood supply of this muscle? Its blood supply, look, which I have shown here, thoracoacromial artery gives branches, superior thoracic artery gives branches, and lateral thoracic artery gives off branches to it. So this is the blood supply of the pectoralis minor muscle, right? What is its innervation? It is innervated by medial and lateral pectoral nerves, which comes from C5, C6, C7 and T1 vertebrae. So this was about the pectoralis minor muscle. Previous lecture we discussed about the pectoralis major muscle, right? It was about innervation of the pectoralis minor muscle. Now in the next lecture we will discuss about the third muscle which is present in your pectoral region, that is called serratus anterior muscle. So that will be discussed in the next lecture, friends.